What are you doing, Sierra?
We're cleaning it, huh? Then we can play. We need to clean the handle too. That's a beetle.
It looks like a ladybug.
That's a bowling ball.
Is it really?
Yeah, I made that.
Huh.
Although the antennas are falling out.
Sierra.
Can't wait to get it clean? No. We can go swimming in here, huh? Go clean with your feet?
Where are you going? Nana's house. Mommy needs her sunglasses. It's bright out here. Careful on those rocks, baby.
All the bushes all along here. Yeah, that one's going dead. I replanted that one. You see how the grass is like that?
Uh-huh.
That's what the bushes look like.
Sierra?
Grass, don't they?
Oh, probably. What's wrong with you? Nothing. Look. Go help Nana put the wagon together. Then you can ride in it. You pull it around the yard.
All clean.
Turn it around the other way.
Here. Got it in the hole?
You want to play with the hose? Are you jumping in the... Do you have a sprinkler?
Want to go lower?
It's okay.
Go lower. Is that better?
Did it get you in the face?
Yeah.
That's so silly. Are you silly? Run through it. Ah! Did it get your bottom?
You gonna crawl through?
You trying to drink it?
Want to sit in the wagon? Yes. Want to go on a wagon ride? They want to play in the water. Can you get in or need help? Ready? Set?
Go.
Tell Mommy bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Have fun.
Under bridges falling down.
Do you go through the tunnel?
This
Hey.
thing's coming back. That was dead. This is coming back. This I replanted, but it looks like it's dying, so it must got the stuff in the yard still.
Yeah.
This one's dead. This flower right up here didn't get touched at all.
Well, that's good. I can't see you, Sierra.
Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Where'd you go?
Here we go. You ready? Set? Go. Here we go.
Hold on. Whee!
Is that fun?
You want to do it again?
And pretty soft. No, don't go up there.
Yeah, no, baby.
That's his flowers. These different dahlias. There you go. Nice sideways, like this. Put your legs together. Keep your legs together. Put your hands up like this. Now just roll.
Roll!
Put your head up. Like this. Yay! Just like that.
Whee!
I want to do that.
You want to do it again? All right, go back to the top.
You gotta go on. Roll up the hill.
You got to go back up to the top.
You walk up the hill and roll down the hill. Walk up the
Yeah.
hill. Walk.
Whoa, now you're
Are
dizzy.
you all dizzy? Walk, 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 walk.
Now lay down.
Okay, lay down. Lay down sideways. Keep it.
Good job. Roll down the hill. Yay, there you go. There you go. Say, I'm rolling sideways, Nana. Oh, or did you scoot on your bottom? All right, go back up to the top. Oh, you're going to need a bath tonight, kiddo. You're a mess. Walk to the top. What are you, a baby? Are you a little baby like Kyler?
Uh-huh.
You are.
Want to teach Kyler to walk?
Yeah.
In a few more months, huh?
Yeah.
She'll probably walk faster than you.
Ah,
So she's got to be like sis. That's what Brian. Want to do everything, Marcy.
yeah. We shall see.
Go.
Run!
Easier to run down the roll.
Yes.
Go.
You like this hill? Got a hole there, huh?
What is that noise? Oh, he moved. We scared him, Sierra.